There are only two rules in stock market. One, never lose your money. Two, don't forget the rule number one. Warren Buffett. Introduction to stock markets. Introduction. Black small square. The stock market refers to the collection of markets and exchanges where the issuing and trading of equities, stocks of publicly held companies, bonds, and other sorts of securities takes place, either through formal exchanges or over-the-counter markets. Black small square, also known as the equity market. The stock market is one of the most vital components of a free market economy, as it provides companies with access to capital in exchange for giving investors a slice of ownership. Introduction continued. Black small square. A stock market is one of the most important sources for companies to raise money. This allows businesses to be publicly traded, or raise additional capital for expansion by selling shares of ownership of the company in a public market. Black small square. An economy where the stock market is on the rise is considered to be an up-and-coming economy. Indian stock exchanges. Most of the trading in the Indian stock market takes place on its two stock exchanges, black small square the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, black small square the National Stock Exchange, NSE. Bombay Stock Exchange. Black small square established in 1875, BSE, formerly known as Bombay Stock Exchange Limited, is Asia's first and the fastest stock exchange in world with the speed of 6 microseconds and one of India's leading exchange groups. Black small square. Today BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in equity, currencies, debt instruments, derivatives, mutual funds, etc. Black small square. It has a global reach with customers around the world and a nationwide presence. BSE systems and processes are designed to safeguard market integrity, drive the growth of the Indian capital market and stimulate innovation and competition across all market segments. National Stock Exchange. Black small square. The National Stock Exchange, NSE, is the leading stock exchange in India and the fourth largest in the world by equity trading volume in 2015, according to World Federation of Exchanges, WFE. Black small square. NSE has a fully integrated business model comprising our exchange listings, trading services, clearing and settlement services, indices, market data feeds, technology solutions and financial education offerings. Black small square. NSE is a pioneer in technology and ensures the reliability and performance of its systems through a culture of innovation and investment in technology. Types of investments. Black small square. There are many types of investments and investing styles to choose from. Mutual funds, ETFs, individual stocks and bonds, closed-end mutual funds, real estate, various alternative investments and owning all or part of a business are just a few examples. Stocks. Black small square. A stock is a type of security that signifies ownership in a corporation and represents a claim on part of the corporation's assets and earnings. Black small square. There are two main types of stock, one common stock, two preferred stock. Black small square. Common stock usually entitles the owner to vote at shareholders' meetings and to receive dividends. Black small square. Preferred stock generally does not have voting rights, but has a higher claim on assets and earnings than the common shares. Bonds. Black small square. A bond is a fixed income investment in which an investor loans money to an entity, typically corporate or governmental, which borrows the funds for a defined period of time at a variable or fixed interest rate. Black small square. Bonds are used by companies, municipalities, states, and sovereign governments to raise money and finance a variety of projects and activities. Black small square. Bonds are used by companies, municipalities, states, and sovereign governments to raise money and finance a variety of projects and activities. Mutual funds. Black small square. A mutual fund is an investment vehicle made up of a pool of monies collected from many investors for the purpose of investing in securities such as stocks, bonds, money market instruments and other assets. Black small square. Mutual funds are operated by professional money managers, who allocate the fund's investments and attempt to produce capital gains and/or income for the fund's investors. Black Small Square, a mutual funds portfolio, is structured and maintained to match the investment objectives stated in its prospectus. Exchange Traded Fund. Black Small Square, an ETF, or Exchange Traded Fund, is a marketable security that tracks an index, a commodity, bonds, or a basket of assets like an index fund. Unlike mutual funds, an ETF trades like a common stock on a stock exchange. Black Small Square ETFs experience price changes throughout the day as they are bought and sold. ETFs typically have higher daily liquidity and lower fees than mutual fund shares, making them an attractive alternative for individual investors. Black Small Square, because it trades like a stock, an ETF does not have its net asset value, NAV, calculated once at the end of every day like a mutual fund does. Stock exchanges and how to purchase stocks. Stock exchanges. They began simply as meeting places where investors gathered to discuss companies and their shares, and to trade shares. As they became more formal, these meeting places became the trading floors of exchanges, where traders made deals face to face. Today, many of these exchange floors have been replaced by sophisticated electronic dealing systems run on computer systems that now operate in major cities throughout the world. A stock exchange is simply a place where financial instruments can be bought or sold. Working of stock exchanges. A stock exchange is simply a place where financial instruments can be bought or sold. Stock exchange. Financial instrument S. Cash buyers. Cash. Financial instrument S. Sellers. Purchasing stock. Brokers. A broker is a person who is licensed to buy and sell stocks, provide investment advice, and collect a commission on each purchase or sale. White Small Square purchases stocks on an organized exchange, stock market. White Small Square, for example, certified individuals, banks, etc. White Small Square, over 3/4 of all stocks are bought and sold on an organized exchange. Organized exchanges. Black Small Square minimum requirements for a stock to ensure only reputable companies are used. Black Small Square, each exchange has a limited number of seats available which brokerage firms purchase to give them the legal right to buy and sell stocks on the exchange. Black Small Square X, NSE, National Stock Exchange of India, NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, etc. Demat account and trading account. Bank saving A/C. Trading A/C. This is stockbroker. Demat A/C. This is where the stocks are kept. Trading account. Demat account, majorly through company performance, profit, called dividend, bonuses and rewards, and through trading financial instruments like stocks, bonds. What makes a stock price up and down? Demand and supply. When to invest. Not bulls. Bullish characteristics are when the market is showing confidence, prices increase, and market indicators rise. Conditions. Black Small Square unemployment is low. Black Small Square stock rising. Black Small Square prices going up. Market conditions. Bear. Prices hover at the same level and then go down, indices fall and volumes are stagnant. Conditions. Black Small Square unemployment is high. Black Small Square stocks decreasing. Black Small Square prices going down. Calculation of indices. Stock market index. Black Small Square. A stock market index is a method of measuring a section of the stock market. Many indices are cited by news or financial services firms and are used as benchmarks to measure the performance of portfolios such as mutual funds. Capitalization. Black Small Square. A stock market index acts the indicator of the performance of the economy or a sector of the economy. Free float market capitalization. Free float concept is an index construction methodology which makes use of free float shares in the market and is used to calculate the market index. Free float market capitalization is the total worth of all shares of a company which are available for trading in the open market. These shares are called free float shares and are available for trading by anyone. Example: suppose BSE index, Sensex, consists of only two stocks such as X and Y. Company X has 10,000 outstanding shares, out of which only 5,000 are available for trading in open market. Market price of share is 100 rupees. Company Y has 5,000 outstanding shares, out of which 2,000 shares are held by promoters and remaining 5,000 are free float shares, open market shares. Market price of share is 50 rupees. Here, sum of free float market cap of company X and company Y is 500,000 plus 100,000 equals 600,000. Assume market cap during 1978 to 79 is 500,000. Now apply formula. Sensex equals sum of free float market cap of 30 major companies of BSE X index value in 1978 to 79 / market cap value in 1978 to 79. Stocks issued, stocks market price, market cap. X will make money. The bears will make money. Only the pigs get slaughtered.